sounds good.
It does.
Alright, hopefully I don't stall it. I haven't driven this before. What did I just say? What did I just say?
Yeah.
Oh, it's pound steering. Shit.
Oh, seriously?
Yep.
Fuck, this is cool.
Oh, yeah. I'm not even
this-
giving it.
Yeah.
I'm not even giving it any. This is just like cruising down back streets to warm it up. Like,
Yeah, this is pretty chill.
oh, I nearly stalled it again.
Holy fuck.
Oh my god. I'm sure Dan doesn't mind us thrashing his car through the back street.
I'm pretty sure he expected it, eh?
He was almost like, do it.
Yes, do it.
I'm fucking dying. I'm sick. Give me a minute. Alright. Did we ever do a video on the Corona loom?
No, we didn't.
did the AE86 one in the
Yeah.
Well, I think at the start of that, I had the Corona dash plugged in testing things. I've made up a loom or modified a loom for Daniel's Corona because we commandeered his Corona to test this now. So that's what we're just doing. I fixed the fuel sender. Look at it. Pulled it apart, cleaned it because it was absolutely feral inside. And I also noticed that the resin stuff on top was all cracked and shit. So I pulled it all out, cleaned up in there, made sure all the connections were fine, and then just put like 2-part epoxy.
Yep, 1 bar from empty. Alright, go to full. And full. Check out that.
We fixed the digi sender. Now we just got to make sure everything else on the loom works. We know taco works.
Yeah.
Speedo we can't test until it's in the car properly, but we're gonna make sure everything else works first. We have to swap the
Oil pressure switch, yeah.
to a switch.
I know. Oh yeah, because it was like it's an actual gauge, yeah. So it has to be a switch.
So I've got a switch in the shed somewhere.
Sick.
What else do we need to do?
And then we were supposed to have a look at the door lights if we get around to it.
Oh yes. I love my cat, but I just...
She's such a little bastard, eh?
She has to stop climbing the fucking door.
Yeah.
Oil pressure switch is an easy one to do. Charge light should turn off if we start the car. Oil pressure's not working. The oil pressure light's on because we don't have the switch in. It's just a an actual sensor. So we need to change that. We're still unsure about temp. It has budged.
Yeah, just a pinch.
But I'm not sure if we need to swap the sensor for that just yet. But yeah, like this works. Yeah, park brake works now.
Oh, nice.
What else do we have issues with? The door light, obviously.
Yeah, door light.
But we know that's because he doesn't have a fuse in there. The only thing is illumination, but it's not dark enough to see if this is even lighting up.
No.
I can't tell.
I have an idea.
Nah, illumination's not working, so I need to work that out.
We have to check globes and things too.
Alright, I'm gonna fit that that sensor, the fuel sensor, because we know it works.
Yes.
And then we'll do pressure switch.
And then
we'll try
suss the
and
door
test
lights.
pressure.
Yeah. Alright, say something dumb.
I wish Dan had cleaned his fucking boot.
Yeah, right?
To work on this fucking thing.
Look at this
Look at
mess.
this shit. He's got a fucking random SR spoiler just sitting in here.
So
You know
fucking
what?
cool.
I might keep the spoiler.
No.
I might keep the front spoiler.
Analog sender. SA60 digital sender.
Yeah, well, MA61, ST141 Olympic edition have this sender.
So many fucking things with the same sender.
Is also the same sender I hacked up. To fit in my van to run the 86 DigiDash. They're easier to find than A86 and they do the same fucking thing. So pressure sender, oil pressure level sender for a gauge, and we need to change it to a pressure switch for this to work. This one in here. You probably won't be able to see what the fuck I'm doing, but it's behind the compressor here.
Yeah.
Big
fuck up spanner.
Too big and bulky. I will do it with the bendy pliers. Gay pliers.
Gay pliers. It's Pride
What do you
Month.
call them?
Yeah, that's a brand name. It's like
Oh.
calling fucking locking pliers vice grips.
Oh, yeah.
And what else is brand name based? Like Gyprock? That's brand name.
Crescent wrench.
Yep, Crescent
Wrench
wrench.
is a type of wrench.
Sawzall. That's
Yeah,
fucking
Sawzall, but I'm getting it.
nice.
Nice.
Cock. Oh, you're gonna have to cut that bit.
What bit?
Bit I just filmed.
Well, you saying I'm stubborn?
No. I got your tit.
Oh, is my tit hanging out?
Yes.
Fuck. That's awkward. Alright, we got oil. Ready?
Yeah. No oil light. Oh, good. Fuel sender works. Temp works. Tack works. Check out how fucking sick that is.
Oh, temp gauge moved again.
Yeah,
So maybe it is working.
Yeah, it moved down.
Okay, so all we have to do is work out illumination and then we can fit this thing.
Yeah.
So we've worked out your door light issue, I reckon. This is door light circuit here because it's red, red, white. Runs through under here and it's very, very tight even after I've unplugged the clips and moved it through. And it looks like it's right below that baby seat anchor. So we're just loosening that to see if it'll free it up and we can see if it's damaged. Also, love your wiring job. Straight through it. Oh yeah, it's squashed it, hey. Right there. Right there. Damn, what the fuck? Bro, you need to be more careful with this shit. Pinched it right in between the collars. Yeah, you fucking pinched it, dude. We'll fix it. We'll fix it, don't worry. So, charge light and oil light turn off. Park brake turns off when you lower the handbrake now. We do have illumination, although you have to change your globes to green ones because right now they're just normal incandescent bulbs because we had issues. Let's go for a drive.
Yeah.
Temp gauge works by the looks, or at least a little bit. Fuel gauge seems to work. Speedo's definitely working.
Yep. All the surrounders in the boot and the spare clusters.
Yep. Fucking animals.
It does.
It's crazy. I don't think this has a speed limit, actually. Looking at it.
Yeah. Well, it has to hit 100 for that.
Yeah, but there's no light. Where's the
Huh.
light?
I'm assuming it would click on in the cluster, like where the speedo appears.
Mine has a visible light. Like you can see where it lights up even when it's not lit up.
Oh, yeah, right.
I don't think it does. It's cool though.
It's very cool.
And look, the fucking temp gauge is working. It's all good.
Yeah.
So mission accomplished, but there's one last thing we have to do to Dan's car. Shit. It's fucking on there. Oh fuck. I can't get that one. Holy shit. Dan, what the fuck?
Did you super glue these on or something?
No, aneurysm.
Crunch.
Why are these so fucking hard to get off, Dan? What's going on?
Wiggle it. Oh, it looks like it's coming.
There you go.
Cool.
Alright. Is that the only broken ones?
I think so, yeah.
These are crazy hard to pull off and put new ones on.
Yeah.
No wonder he hasn't.
Here you go, Dan. New knobs. And cool dash.